You're right.
This is gonna fall.
Oh my god.
Where is he?
Where is he?
I'm coming. That's my camera.
Oh, coming! Ah.
This shit tastes nasty.
It does, but fuck it.
Ew.
What is it?
Some cheap.
It tastes like dirt.
Tastes like dirt.
It does.
What is it?
Yo,
I like
as
this
it says,
one.
I'm gonna bark first.
You like everything.
I like beer, I'm telling you. This is the one my dad
Oh,
has at
dude,
home.
how do you like this?
He has the black. Well, I have the black one. Let me taste
You
it.
guys are a bunch of pussies.
She's the only non-pussy.
You guys can't appreciate good beer.
I know you taste it.
It's good beer.
I like
I'm
it.
sorry.
It's nice
not,
beer.
It's,
It's
not
alright. It's
I
alright.
like it.
It's alright.
Yes.
Hey, is that just?
My dad has the black one.
You're like Budweiser.
Is that beer from India?
What the fuck? Hold on, nigga, damn.
Yeah, like you're about to run out of memory. How about that one? 1, 2, 3. Chug, mother crackers.
Oh, come on, chug.
Chug, man, like a fucking titty, dog.
Chug. Hector can suck faster. Oh.
Yay!
I was done it like
No, look at that. What do you mean you were done?
Oh, but he said I could do it like a cow.
Give me some money.
What happened? Like you suck, like.
Literally.
Is that you're doing it with your lips, bro? You gotta open up your throat.
That nigga said deep throat that shit. Deep throat it.
You're the one that wasted it. What? A beer? Look.
Yeah, nigga,
Dribble that
you
shit
wasted
everywhere.
like at least
You guys took turns.
Some of it fell.
You guys took turns.
It looks like Hector pissed.
Well, that was exciting. What a hell of a party. Nigga.
Yo, look, the ones that fly and everything.
That was the biggest thing in the world. Shut up.
That's what she said.